Welcome to Rising Up, created by Nancy Pusateri. Are you ready to start transforming your life? Are you ready to break free from the lost feelings of not knowing your purpose? Nancy wants to help you discover who you are. Take the first step today and commit to your freedom. With this online coaching course, you can discover how to make changes and free yourself from what has held you back. Nancy will provide the tools to help you achieve your dreams at your own pace. We are all on our own journey, our own time. Are you ready for a change? This is your time. Take the first step today and set the stage for your future. You're not here by accident. There's a reason why you are here. Become the hero of your own destiny. You have the power within. You owe it to yourself. You deserve to be happy. Start transforming today. Embarking on transformation. Start your journey today, paying attention to your inner voice. Have you ever sensed the gentle nudges of your innermost self, encouraging you to revive dreams you've long set aside? Do you feel drawn to break free from constraints and live a life that truly reflects who you are? Is there an unquenchable fire within you, glowing brightly despite countless efforts to suppress it? Have key moments and profound insights ignited your determination to finally become the person you were meant to be? Transformation is a journey. It can quietly unfold after extended periods of silent struggle, or emerge naturally from life's unexpected challenges and pains. We may dive eagerly into the path we believe is ours, or cling to what's familiar, like a butterfly reluctant to leave its cocoon behind. Resisting change can make life feel draining, painful, and overshadowed. Though we cannot control all that happens in our lives, we can control our reactions. We face a choice: accept mediocrity and dissatisfaction, or embrace the belief that life has greater things in store for us and commit to shaping our own destinies. We invite you to embark on a quest, a hero's journey. On this journey, you'll transform your outlook, viewing pain and challenges not as obstacles, but as stepping stones toward a greater purpose. You'll take charge of your story, choosing to live life on your own terms. Transformation starts within, and change unfolds as a process. What I'm offering today is more than a set of strategies for achieving lasting change and reaching goals. It's a guide to profound inner transformation, overcoming the barriers that keep you from realizing your true potential. Here's what this journey is designed to help you achieve. Recognize and transcend the obstacles holding you back, making you unstoppable. Overcome the fear of change, rejection, and failure, boosting your confidence to pursue your dreams. Attain self-mastery by reshaping limiting beliefs. Develop a growth mindset, ensuring nothing can stand in your way again. Gain clarity about your true desires and identity, freeing you from living someone else's dreams. I invite you to join me on a transformative journey, a hero's quest to a place where you can achieve your dreams and become everything you are meant to be. So, are you ready to heed the call? This is your moment. If you've reached a stage where nothing seems to work despite your best efforts, bringing you back to the beginning, consider setting aside just 10 minutes a day or even 3 times a week to devote to your dream of change. You're in the right place. It will require dedication and hard work. But if you're genuinely prepared, you'll find a way to integrate Nancy's strategy into your routine. Believe me, you'll wish you had made this decision earlier. Embrace life and become the person you were always meant to be. Nancy's transformation course is your gateway to elevating your life. Designed to be a lifelong tool, this course encourages you to uncover and embrace the beauty within yourself. What does it entail? Embarking on a transformative journey to discover your purpose and find joy in everyday life. Nancy's focus is on your growth without sacrificing any benefits. The course includes training sessions dedicated to guiding you through personal transformation. By investing just 10 minutes a day for 1 to 3 days a week, you'll begin to realize your inner potential. The coaching course can complement therapy, providing insights on your own schedule and helping you address deeper issues with your therapist. The videos cover goal setting, cultivating a positive mindset, understanding your true desires, and relieving yourself from external pressures. Wondering if you're ready for this opportunity? Try it out for free. Comment "Transform" below, and Nancy will send you a link to the first section of her coaching course, which includes 3 10-minute videos. All you need is a device to watch or listen and a notebook for your reflections. Explore whether this path aligns with your life purpose. Take charge of your journey and steer yourself toward the future you desire. Remember, small steps lead in the right direction. Be the hero in your life story today.